In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder your projects on Behance. This is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your most striking work is front and center when visitors land on your profile. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to the platform, it's crucial to present your projects in a way that truly represents your skills and achievements. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Behance profile. This is the main hub for all your creative projects, and it's where you can manage the visual narrative you present to the world. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so, as you'll need full access to your account to make these changes. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see all your projects displayed in a grid format, each with its cover image. This layout is specifically designed to showcase your creative work effectively. Next, bring your mouse cursor over one of the project covers. You don't need to click just yet. Simply hover over the images. This action enables the rearranging mode and lets you interact with the projects themselves. A lot of users might not realize that you can rearrange the projects on the fly, and it's this simple detail that can change how people perceive your portfolio. To reorder your projects, click and hold the project icon you wish to move. This is where the magic happens. With the project icon firmly selected, drag it to the position you prefer within your grid. You might decide to move a brand new project to the top if it's your latest work, and you want it to capture attention right away. Or perhaps you have a project that consistently garners positive feedback and you think it deserves to be highlighted more prominently. Wherever you decide, just remember that the first project people see often sets the tone for their impression of your entire portfolio. Once you've placed the project cover in its new position, simply release it. One of the fantastic things about Behance is that it automatically saves the new order for you. There's no need to worry about manually saving changes or wondering if your adjustments have taken effect. Your profile will now reflect this new arrangement immediately. In summary, reordering your projects is a practical method to emphasize your best work or showcase your recent accomplishments. This is vital for maintaining an up-to-date and compelling portfolio that catches the eye of visitors and potential clients or employers. Thanks for following along, and if you need any further assistance with customizing your Behance profile or managing your projects, feel free to reach out. We're here to help simplify this crucial part of managing your online presence.